Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Recife, Brazil. And I just got off the boat and they're doing this little practice exercise. Let me show you that. But then there's a market behind me and I'll show you that too. Let's go look. Here we go. So there looks like they're practicing for some kind of show. Certainly interesting, but what I wanted to show you was the market over here. I'm headed over to ground zero, which I think is a zero marker, but I saw this and I thought I'd go walk through here and see what they got. I don't know if it's any excitement or not, but we might as well walk and look, huh? And I don't know, it looks like they're just getting set up, or maybe it's not set up yet, or maybe today's not the day, or I don't know, but clothes and purses and cars and more clothes and and there's a park behind this. And records, Iron Maiden record. I wonder if they're having a competition or something with these people playing the music. Anyway, interesting. Lots of police, lots of military. So I don't know if this is like a major market street because of the cruise ships or whatever. I'll try to find a grocery store too so we can get some prices on things if I can find one. So. You want some hot sauce? Interesting. But the street's kind of cool too, the pretty colors. Huh. I think they're just getting ready for the show to start. What is today, by the way? I don't even know what today is. But I'll find out. Let's see if I can do it on my watch really quickly. Oh, it's Sunday. Oh, maybe that's why this is here. It's Sunday. Huh. Interesting architecture, interesting stores. So maybe it's like a big flea market or something. Anyway. Well, that's it for me, everybody. I just wanted to show you a little street market walking down the street, and it looks like it keeps going. I don't know if it goes to the main square down here or not, but anyway, just a quick little glimpse of what things look like here in Brazil. Recife. And you know, it's funny, I thought it was going to be a little small place. It is absolutely not that. 4.5 million people live here, and it's crazy. Well, we might as well go through the Angel, huh? Might as well. All right, everybody, that's it for me. Thanks for coming. Bye.